This omelet's going to take a little time. I'm trying something out, and if it works, that's why you're watching this video. So I cooked the bacon, and I'm not using the bacon grease at all in this recipe. Usually I do, you know, the flavor, but that's not what I'm looking for. So what we have here is, why is my flame doing that? Now I got a problem. Shut that off and move over to here. Very strange. So I'm going to cook the onion. Could throw the onions into the mix, the egg, but then it's raw, and wasn't in the mood to do that. So that's cooking. Season that up a little bit. A pinch of salt, only a drop of salt. You know why? I'm using cream cheese and ricotta cheese, and they have plenty of salt. All cheeses have plenty of salt in them. Just a little pepper. So that's going to cook for a minute. Don't want to overcook this, just like to heat it up. I don't feel like eating it, the onions raw in this omelet, even though you can. While that is working, I have a skillet to make the omelet, just warming up in the back there. And the reason why I'm doing it like this, you'll see. It's hard to get the cream cheese and the ricotta cheese spread evenly in the omelet. So what I'm doing is putting the cream cheese and the ricotta cheese in here. To warm it up and kind of pour this into the omelet, which will work nice and easy. That's enough. See? Okay. Now we get with the egg, and in the egg I'm going to put the parsley, and the bacon. That's a couple of tablespoons. Even though it's a non-stick pan, I want this to flow easily. Parsley and bacon, in we go. Get all of that out. It's a matter of just waiting it to set just a little bit. Usually I use the other flame, but something happened there, I don't know what. And let it run over, push, and let more run over there. Not too hot now. And get the mix. And get the mix evenly. See how nice and even it's going to go in? You want to get this into the center and then spread it. Because we're going to fold it this way, that way, and have a beautiful looking omelette that will just, then you flip it like so, turn this over, and this is what an omelette looks like, not the omelettes that you usually see where it's flat, fill it up and just flop it over. You don't even have to heat up, wait for the cheeses to get hot because they're already hot. And since I like my omelet soft, there it is. Scoop, there it is. And I have this with a little piece of back that off a little. And there you go. Pretty, nice, closed omelet, ricotta cheese, cream cheese, bacon, parsley. I'm going to enjoy this breakfast.